Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'll prepare a super delicious but simple and healthy Indian sweet dish, apple halwa. Halwa is a rich dessert that is normally prepared by frying aata, suji or besan in ghee and adding lots of sugar. But to prepare a halwa today, I'll use apples in place of aata, suji or besan, and as apples are very sweet fruits, this dessert requires very little sugar. Also, compared to traditional halwa recipe, apple halwa requires very little ghee. Hence, this dessert is perfect for all sweet-loving but health-conscious people. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Wash the apples and cut them into quarters. Then remove the core or center. Then peel the skin. Using the large or medium-sized grater, grate the apples and keep aside. Take a pan heated and add the ghee. Once the ghee becomes hot, lower the flame and add the grated apples. Then cook the apples on low to medium flame. Keep stirring the halwa regularly so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now cook the apple till the water or moisture in the apples have been dried up and no water or bubbles are visible. The apples have been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the saffron strands. If you want, you can crush them too. Give it a good mix and cook till it dries up. As the moisture or water from the apples have been absorbed, add the sugar and mix it well. Depending on the tanginess of the apples, you can increase the sugar quantity. Then add the vanilla essence and cook till the sugar is melted and completely absorbed in the halwa. Now add the cardamom powder, cook it for a minute and turn off the heat. Enjoy your low-fat, low-sugar, super delicious and healthy apple halwa. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.